another video of Jessica's new place. Ow! Calm down.
You can take them off last night.
Yep. Cut it out.
One bad battery. Oh, that's what did it? Oh, got it back up and running.
What do you do? Bad battery already?
Did a massive 30-minute update that I was supposed to do when I installed the motor. It said you could use your power holder without the update. If you want to get the full experience with the power holder, that's operating.
Yeah, maybe some shelves on both sides. Little horseshoe.
So now I got to take it out of the water and do a calibration. Basically, control the situation.
She's got Tonka's little bed. Wee. What is that? Big old TV. Filled their closet right up. Barn door. Nice rugs. And she got her mirrors hung. I wonder where that's at. She got her big bathtub. Little fishy picture. I wonder what she's going to put here. I know she's going to put something here. She got the same towel rack that I got. Very nice. Oh, look at that. It gets dark. Wow. Nice. It's so pretty. So pretty. Isn't it pretty, Layla? Everything's nice and new. It's nice to have a brand new place. That thing, wow, that thing has some air. Mr. Jones and me. And this is Cash's room. And this is Cash's bathroom. They got a big old thing. This was cool. Wait a minute. There. Lights all up. Another little plant up there. And this is Cash's barn door for his closet. They haven't put it up yet, but this is really Cash's closet. This is Jessica's extra closet. And then they got those little things. Oh. Got some more stuff to hang up in here. I love the fans. Very cute little place. Yeah, this will get really bad on your knees. All these stairs. I already feel it in my left knee. All right. I'm making a doggy ramp for Tonka. And Jessica is working on a little planter out here in the field of dirt.
Think I'm far enough away?
Oh, it's like I think it's starting to rain.
great.
I know.
I don't think this supposed to be this hard. It's texture.
Yeah. Levi. Yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit.
Hey. We use the whole can.
You're going to use the whole can? How much you got left in there? Half? You're going to use the whole can?
It's empty, that's why.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, good. All right, it's textured.
Texture, right.
She's making a planter. Well, fake planter.
Staple each other's fingers. Oh, did you go to the storage unit, babe?
Yep.
Oh.
How'd you like the ride, Bobby Brown?
I like it. Oh, babe, you're out of gas.
Oh, yeah.
Try it out, Jessica.
It's... You need it up a bit?
Do you want it really that close to the railing?
What?
I mean, if you pull it out away from the railing just a little bit, then you give them a little more room. Come on, Layla, let's try it. You gonna try it, Layla? Come here, Layla. Walk right here, Layla. Levi. Come right here on this.
You might push that.
Walk down there. Levi. Walk down there.
Hey, Levi!
Oh, careful. You might need to use the ramp.
What happened?
Try again, Bobby. Just hit it. One more. Move back this one out where you hit it. There we go. There we go.
Huh.
Pretty steep, huh, babe?
My throat's not out. Try and go on the underside of the strip.
Are you sure you want it that steep?
Exit hole.
Let's see. Is she gonna do it? Is she gonna do it?
What you mean? It's the same steepness as the steps.
Oh, that's pretty. Come on, Layla. Come here. Walk down there. He's like, I don't know about that.
Yeah, I don't know about it.
Did the screw come through? All right. Well,
Not that we can see.
not that I can see. I'll try to put them in an angle.
Shall I try it? Good?
You can do it. It's fine.
What do you think?
Very steep.
It's pretty
Yeah.
steep.
I know. That's what I was saying. If you lift it up a little bit at the bottom, it will. See what she did here?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
he
he
ain't
did.
gonna use this.
No. I didn't think so.
Wow.
But if you raise it up a little bit, then it'll be less steep.
Yeah.
Like,
All right, the real test. Yep, go test it out. Maybe another 2x4 on top of that 2x4. keep them from falling off of it. He's like, I don't know about this. This looks like a slide. Good boy. Yay, Tonka. Give him a treat.
Maybe I could have just assist him up and down,
Yeah?
but he doesn't get hurt or anything.
Yeah.
More comfortable going up than down.
Keep him down it.
You want to try it, Layla? Come up here, Levi. Levi.
Well, they're so small, I worry about them just going. It is a nice little turf, though. Put it in your enclosure, babe.
What?
Put it in your enclosure.
I'm gonna have me some nice carpet in
Put
there.
it out here and spray paint some black spots on it before you go off.
Yeah.
Come on, are you going to bring him back up?
Come here.
I'm waiting here.
Come here, Dickie. Come here, I want to show you something. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. You don't want to go up right now.
All right.
Come on.
Nah, I don't know. Oh well, maybe he'll get used to it.
Well,
He's okay with the assisting.
Here you go up it.
well, if he's
Yeah.
ever hurt, then I know what I can do. Make him use it.
You won't go up it at all?
He didn't. He wouldn't. Go
He
up
wants
it.
to get off into the stairs.
Yeah, but
Oh, yeah, it's pretty steep.
I
wouldn't do it after a bunch of
It's gonna be a rough one.
I know.
what?
Not for me, for him.
Falling. Watch this.
I don't let mine get dirty as shit. I realize public. No, that spray mill thing, I gotta really let this shit. Oh, it's blue?
Yeah, it's blue. Midnight blue, she said. So you guys are going to paint each other. He's already going in different directions. Don't you know when you color in the book, you're supposed to go in the same direction?
I am. I ain't coloring a bug. Painting a bug and whatever the fuck that is. Mama.
All right, so that's that side. Let's see how he's doing on this side. Oh, yeah. Let it move. JD, you might want to take your glasses off. You're going to get overspray on them from Bobby.
Yeah, paint them bigger ones.
Over here, Cash.
Thank God for the texture, you can't see the runs.
Yeah. Maybe this will fit right in there, babe. No, it's too thin. could have.
Yeah, it's like an ankle bender.
You gotta walk on your tippy toes. Really.
Yeah, pretty much.
I mean, it's a good calf workout if you wanted to come up and work on your calves. You just walk
slide
over
down
the
it.
stairs on your tippy toes.
You probably practically have to run down it and be careful. He did it. Come on, Tonka, you do it now.
It might be too small for TT. That's why he's not taking it.
Not really.
Come on, Tonka.
You can come down the regular stairs if you want. He needs assistance.
He says, what were you thinking?
That thing gets to move.
Oops, sorry.
Don't let it get your leg is right.
Or your ankle. That's what happened to me.
You got your ankle hit?
Yeah. But, I mean, it wasn't too bad. It just hurt for a minute. Oop, sorry,
On the
Tonka.
left?
I don't know. You see something?
Come on. Go.
Easy does it, Tonka.
Nice and easy.
Nice and easy, little Tonka Donka.
Not good.
You got some paint on your fingers?
Means I'm getting my wood.
They're going to put a big TV out here.
Get a cover for it.